Hey guys, this is Dan with Gears and Gadgets. Thanks for tuning in. I'm coming to you guys from Lasertown, California. So I'm out here with Polaris as they are unveiling their
factory-built, race-ready UTV that takes the RZR Pro R platform to an entirely new level.
And this has been absolutely obnoxious in every best way possible. So this morning we went out and rode in the RZRs. These are the RZR Pro Rs. They also have the turbo here as well. And we went out for about a 40-minute rip. But then I got a chance to head out in the race team RZR, and it was mind-blowing. What'd you say your name was again?
Cayden.
Cayden. Pleasure to meet you. Here we go. I have a funny feeling this is going to get a little more rowdy quick. Good God Almighty. Oh, Lord. My God, that was obnoxious. I've never loved and hated something so much at the same time. I feel like I had my feet going through the floorboard the whole time. That was rowdy. Rowdy. Brother.
Yeah?
How do you not fear catching a tire going sideways like that?
You gotta stay in it.
I guess. Holy crud.
Yeah.
How fast was that going at any...
On the dry lake?
Yeah.
I think it was, we were almost to 90 or 80 something.
It's not slow.
I'm glad you liked it.
That was the gnarliest thing I've ever done in my life. I've never been so excited and horrified all at the same time. I really appreciate that. That was amazing. Here, I think I'm going hard. Nothing like that. Now I got to try to figure this whole dance out. Really appreciate it, man.
Yeah, thank you.
These guys, I don't even know how to explain it because everything literally just blowing by you faster than you could possibly consume it. The fact that these things get airborne sideways and they stay in the throttle it's just mind-blowing. I mean, these guys, the confidence they have in these machines.
You gotta stay in it.
It's just ridiculous. So again, I want to thank Polaris for having me out for this event. It has been absolutely awesome. Got to meet a bunch of really awesome people. Just all of these events, you always get to meet really cool people and just have great conversations. So very grateful for that. With that being said, guys, thank you very much for tuning in. If this is your first time tuning in, please hit that subscribe button down below. Remember, likes go a long way to help support the channel. See you guys next time.